Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable a browser on an MIUI. So here, if you have a Xiaomi's phone, Xiaomi with MIUI phones are quite popular since they based on the most widespread operating system for smartphone and tablets. And here we go. If you're not happy with the default browser you have on your MIUI phone, and here we go, in order to change your default browser, for example, you want to change into a Chrome, you can follow this step. So here, if you use MIUI 8 and earlier edition, so you can open the settings on your phone and choose install apps. Scroll the bottom of the screen, there you will see a gear icon labeled default. Tap to open it and then choose browsers and select Google Chrome, for example, to set it as your default. And also for the MIUI 9, you have to follow this instruction. So you can open the setting apps on your smartphone, then choose manage apps. Then here you can find three dots at the top right corner. Tap it. Then here you can select default apps, then browser. Click tap default apps, then tap browser. Then you can choose a Chrome as your default browser. If you want to go back to my MI browser, same step, but choose the MI browser. And for the MIUI 10 and later, so you have to open the security app on your phone. Then select the manage apps option, this one. Then again you can tap on the top right corner of your screen, then tap on three dots to see more options. Then again default apps, next choose browser and select Chrome to set as your default launcher. And here how you can clear defaults on MIUI 12. And here we go, you can reset to default. So now go back to the manage app screen and set the desired app as your default. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.